Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down trend line resistance of this down channel, and we will also take a look at this breakout from this falling wedge pattern and this bigger descending triangle as well, and this breakout from this falling wedge pattern on the smaller time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that Bitcoin is moving inside a very long-term down channel, and we found this resistance here back in November 2021. So far we are not able to break it out. Here we had a fake out, but again re-entered the channel and broke down this key support of $28,600. Now, if the price breaks out this resistance of the channel, that will be a very big development on the Bitcoin charts. However, in order to start a long-term bull run, Bitcoin still needs to break out. Even after breaking out this long-term down channel, it will need to break out this resistance of $28,600 as well. That will be a very big challenge for Bitcoin. Still, we are testing this very strong support zone that starts from $19,500 and goes to $17,500. And previously, you can see this level, this support zone has been breaking as a strong support and resistance zone back in December 2020 and even back in December 2017 as well. Therefore, there is a probability that we can have a price reversal from here, because we are also having a double bottom formation on this weekly time frame chart as well. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then previously we broke down this rising wedge pattern, and we again formed another falling wedge pattern. We broke it out. We had a nice pump, but could not continue this rally to the upside, because this was the reason that did not let the price line to move more up from here, and this is the resistance of a descending triangle. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then after the breakout, our conservative target, by the way, can be here at $33,000 approximately. And in case of breakdown, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately 54 to 5,500. But before that, we have a really very strong support that is approximately at $14,000, $13,000 to $14,000. Here you can see we got rejected. Now, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and when we were breaking out, we were moving down. I was telling you that we are having a bullish divergence on the chart, as the price line on this 4-hour time frame chart is forming lower than previous low, but stochastic was forming higher low than previous low, and the price line followed this bullish divergence on 13th of October. We had a nice pump, but still again after this drop we are getting accumulated here. Now there is a hidden bullish divergence flashed on this chart, as the price line is forming this time a higher low than previous low, but stochastic oscillator is forming lower than previous low. Therefore, that can be another reason for the price reversal from here. And our target is still due, that is after breaking out this wedge that is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $20,400. And in that situation, we can also break out this triangle as well, or at least we can make a powerful attempt to break out this bigger triangle. And by the way, once Bitcoin will be able to break out this resistance of the channel on the weekly time frame chart, let me repeat it again. Our target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $65,000 to $67,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.